Connecting your Xbox Series XS or Xbox One to a T-Mobile hotspot can be tricky due to NAT and Teredo problems, resulting in lag or inability to join multiplayer games. T-Mobile hotspots often default to moderate or strict NAT types because of carrier-level NAT, preventing direct peer-to-peer connections. Teredo, which encapsulates IPv6 packets over IPv4 networks, is crucial for Xbox Live multiplayer, but can be blocked by T-Mobile's IPv4-only hotspots, causing Teredo is unable to qualify errors. To troubleshoot, first, check your NAT type in Xbox network settings. If it's moderate or strict, you'll need to make adjustments to your hotspot settings. A common fix involves changing the APN to fasttmobile.com and enabling IPv6 in your hotspot's advanced settings. If issues persist, explore port forwarding Xbox-specific ports, like 3074 for UDP-TCP on the hotspot's router interface, or contacting T-Mobile support for gaming mode activation to prioritize ports and enable Teredo. If APN changes and port forwarding don't resolve the issue, consider placing your Xbox in the hotspot's DMZ or using bridge mode if supported. Also, ensure universal plug-and-play is enabled on the hotspot, though T-Mobile often disables it by default. A key trend to note is the increasing reliance on mobile hotspots for gaming, driven by 5G's widespread availability. As T-Mobile continues to roll out 5G and invest in AI-driven hotspot firmware, expect auto-optimization for gaming apps, potentially reducing the need for manual fixes. For now, user-driven innovations and carrier intervention remain viable options. Keep an eye out for future developments, such as integrated Xbox T-Mobile partnerships offering gaming-optimized plans, which could make hotspots as reliable as wired connections. Remember to check online forums and community pages for the latest workarounds and updates.